In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Drive password, a crucial task if you want to keep your account secure or if you suspect unauthorized access. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you're going to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Drive. Simply type in drive.google.com or click on the Google Drive bookmark if you've got it saved already. Once the page loads, you'll be directed to the Google Drive homepage. Next, direct your attention to the upper right hand corner of your screen. Here you'll see your profile icon. It's usually a small circular image or your initial if you haven't customized it with a picture. Give this icon a click and a drop down menu will appear. Now in that drop down menu, look for the option labelled Manage your Google account and click on it. This will redirect you to your main Google account settings page where we can start the process of resetting your password. When you arrive on the account settings page, you'll notice a list of different options on the left hand side. Let's focus on the Security tab, which is generally midway down the list. Click on Security, and you'll shift over to a new set of tabs focused on protecting your account. In the Security tab, you'll find various options that help secure your Google account. But for today, we're only interested in one main function, the Password section. Scroll until you find something labelled Signing into Google. In this section, you'll see the option to change your password. Click on Password and you will be prompted to verify your identity before continuing. Google likes to make sure it's really you before allowing any changes to sensitive account information. Once you successfully verify your identity, you will be taken to the password change screen. It's important to choose a password that mixes numbers, symbols, and both upper and lower case letters to increase your account security. After you type in your current password followed by the new one you want to set, confirm the new password by entering it again in the confirmation field. After double checking that you've entered your new password correctly, click Change Password. Google will confirm that your password has been successfully updated. That wraps up our tutorial today on changing your Google Drive password. Keep your new password somewhere safe and remember to update it regularly to maintain security. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more useful guides. Thanks for watching and stay secure online.